these times, mountains are fascinating people to me. They're seen all over the world as a place of respect, challenge, inspiration, contemplation, and excitement. These mountains are known as the Cairngorms, or Onarua in Gaelic, meaning the red rusted range, which is home to many specialist plant and animal communities. The red deer to the mountaineer, to the typical snowbunting, dottle, and the ptarmigan. You are now travelling to the edge of one of the last true mountain wildernesses in this country. It forms Britain's largest nature reserve and is within the boundary of the Cairngorms National Park. Many parts of this mountain landscape are protected under British and European environmental law. Therefore, we operate a visitor management system to help protect it. As visitors, we should tread lightly to minimise our impact on them. These mountains are not ours, but our responsibility is to look after them as custodians of this unique and iconic national asset.
Here we are, at the highest restaurant in the UK, eating a roll and loin sausage.